How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can enhance your photo quality for Snapseed. So in my case, I'm going to be enhancing this specific photo right here. And then the way to do this is extremely simple. You want to click on Tools, select the Tune Image, and then you actually have to press and hold down on your screen to simply edit out certain elements like your brightness, the contrast, and saturation. Now from here, of course, you want to adjust it accordingly. Now in my case, since my photo is dark, I'm going to actually increase the brightness right here. For contrast, let's go ahead and increase it into something like this one. For saturation, I want the colors to actually pop, so I'll increase it into something like +44. For the ambience, let's go ahead and increase it a little bit further. The highlights is going to be something like this one. Now, of course, it can actually depend on your situation. If you want your image to actually pop out, you could adjust it accordingly. But if you want your image to be something a little bit different, of course, once again, you could adjust it depending on the image itself. So in my case, it really turned out great. You can also click on this AI button right here that will adjust your image automatically. So I'm happy with this one. Let's click on the export button. And simply from there, we are good to go. So basically our image is from this right here. And this is the original image that we got. So as you can see, it's really different from the image that we have edited. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.